Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Jaguar XF 2.0D R Sport Auto, finished in clean white with a premium black leather interior. A sleek and powerful saloon that blends British luxury with sporty design and dynamic diesel efficiency. At the front, the XF makes a confident first impression with its bold grille, sharp R Sport bumper design, and signature Jaguar LED lighting. From the side, the long, flowing body lines and 18-inch alloy wheels give the XF a low-slung athletic stance. Electric folding mirrors and subtle R Sport styling details complete the executive profile. At the rear, it's clean and sporty, with a subtle lip spoiler and chrome exhaust detailing. You'll also find front and rear parking sensors and a reverse camera for effortless everyday maneuvering. Powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine and smooth automatic gearbox, the XF offers strong performance with excellent fuel efficiency. Cruise control and stop or start technology make it ideal for both long-distance cruising and city driving. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused and filled with quality. You get heated front seats, a leather-wrapped interior, and Jaguar's signature, clean dashboard layout, offering both comfort and clarity. In terms of technology, this XF features built-in navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a crisp infotainment system, alongside the impressive Meridian 380W sound system for premium audio. Blind Spot Assist adds another layer of safety on busy roads. In the back, there's plenty of legroom and comfort, making it a perfect fit for business, family, or weekend travel. In the boot, the XF provides a generous luggage space, ideal for work trips, holidays, or everyday use. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629, quote, registration YP17URF, to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.